Why didn't you say? Yeah.
Hey, you guys look at that dossier back there?
We're not gonna have a lot of gas.
I just don't like the color yellow. Yellow fucking
You guys want to go
sucks.
back?
I have enough healing. How about you, Jacob?
I got enough bandages.
You don't have any, dude?
I just have bandages.
You suck at looting, dude. You're looting game up. That's fine. Just kidding. Oh, I guess we're getting out? Okay.
Just quickly heal. Just heal real quick.
Oh. With what? I can bandage. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2,
How many do you have? Like 7 of them?
3.
Can I have one?
2, 3.
What about that ammo?
Like wink, wink, nudge, nudge. Alright, dude. I'm good. Health-wise,
Let's go,
I'm
let's go.
delicious. I'm in the middle seat. All dudes scoped out right now, dude. What's
Guys,
up,
I'm just gonna go towards it. It's gonna suck
Our
ass.
Uber's here, dude.
We don't have gas, so get ready to bail.
Uber's here. Uber's low on gas, dude. Uber's low on gas. It's gonna be a rough ride.
Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna make it up here.
There. You can dance if you wanna. You can leave your friend behind.
Here we go.
Uh-oh.
You guys didn't get in.
We're just taxiing around, dude. This is
Uh.
fine. Toast it. Boo.
Bryce, do you have it 4 times?
I do.
Right here.
do.
Right here.
What?
He says right here he's got a 4x for you.
Yeah, I dropped you.
He just dropped it in the middle of the woods.
Oh my god.
Somebody
guys.
else picked it up.
Nobody else picked it up.
Little retards behind me.
Right around
Oh my
here.
god.
You guys were right behind
It's right
me. I
here.
stayed still.
It's right here.
Oh my god. Jacob playing stupid.
No, I
Where is
didn't
it?
touch it.
Where is it? Where is it?
Yeah, I'm thinking somebody picked it up.
No, he didn't. I didn't touch it. No, I already have
Wait
it.
for my
I
pal.
already
prefer
have one.
rice. We need kills.
Oh my god, shut the fuck up.
Can you put a 4 times on that?
A pistol? No, I think only red dots. Jesus.
Oh,
Yeah.
let him drive.
I've probably won. I never gotten out of the car.
I say we take over this little ledge. What do you think?
I'm
Okay.
about it.
You the boss.
Probably is.
Silent?
Could
Let me
be.
got Silent put his
Oh,
gun
yeah.
away.
I was gonna go for it.
And Silent, you can always tell he puts his gun away. If you're like farther ahead and he thinks he's got a chance, he puts his gun away and just runs. He doesn't give a shit about anything else. He just puts his fucking gun away and just runs.
So you're saying there's a chance. Get your fucking gun out, dude.
Yeah.
Do we trust it? We don't have to trust it, do we? Can look.
I ain't going.
There's no harm in looking.
I can't tell if the door is open.
Dude, look at them.
I couldn't either.
I'm checking behind us.
We got a generous next circle too.
Yeah, that's really, really nice.
Shit. Wait, the fuck?
Eight X.
Shit. You know I got
Who
that
needs it?
SKS, bro.
You need it?
Well, I mean, would be helpful, yeah.
Okay.
You know?
I give it to you.
Feel me?
No, I'll give it to you. I do.
Yeah, I have one bandage. We're good. We're solid,
Damn.
dude. That's why I need an 8x so I can just sit really far away and take pot shots. Because I have no
Car.
med. Where? Talk to us, baby.
I'm coming. I'm far away.
Trying to work my way to you. I don't really have high ground anymore, though. No.
Nah, I haven't.
I did move a little closer to you guys, though. Oh, I see. 285. He's peeking over the hill.
They can't be out of bounds, can they?
They're close. I'm gonna shoot. Wait, no, I don't have shot.
I don't see him.
285 from us. They're right over the ridge there, yeah. We're not spread out enough.
Line him up.
I'm gonna try and fall back a little bit. Maybe get some high ground. Cause I want to see these kids, dude.
No, shut up. I still don't see him.
He's way out. You wouldn't have seen him from where you are.
Yeah, you wouldn't have.
Whoa! Yeah.
We don't have any visual on them.
Yeah, I can't see him. I said just get over here. It's about to move. We can just wait for him.
Going out the back door.
Yeah.
Trying to use the building as cover. Whoa!
Okay, I'm coming down.
I
the hill a little
don't
bit.
see him.
He's like Kevin.
Oh,
He's
he's
out
in
in
front
the
of the
house.
house. He's in front of the house.
The house with the crossbones on it. Two of them. One by the
I
house.
hit him, I hit
just
him.
got out of.
Give me 1 second. I'm moving.
Shit. Nope. Come back up
I'm
there
gonna
with you.
die. I'm gonna die either way. Cause I was already down in the beginning.
Behind the truck. Behind the truck.
Yeah, behind the truck. One's behind the house. Oh,
Right side,
motherfucker. There's one behind the house, left side. I think he's creeping to the right. I'm running. I'm
I
running.
see him. Fuck! I gotta reload. I can't help you.
Grab the 8x and
Nice.
grab the 8x and extended mag off my body. I'm in bounds. Yeah,
Oh shit.
I got a bunch of good stuff to grab. A 4x.
Again, I just. Oh, I
8x.
did kill somebody. I don't know. Oh,
8x, 4x,
how come?
extended mag for the sniper rifle.
Where's that one? Not as lucky. Let's just run around the edge of this blue here. No, I don't. I'm good.
Did you get the extended mag?
That's
There's
fine.
an extended
Okay.
mag in my body. It gives you 20 rounds though.
Let's run along the blue. You guys good with that?
Yeah.
All the way up to the circle.
Dude, I am
Time.
not doing shit. I think that
I'm
the
not
guy that
either.
was close to you, Rise.
Yeah, I hope
I
you
think
found
from
the
like
one
2 or
guy.
3 shots, there was a guy. You got the guy behind? Okay.
I'll wait for you guys a little bit.
How bad is this gonna hurt if we go get it?
Pretty rough.
Bad. Very bad.
Okay.
I don't see anybody. Not even the houses over there. Not down there. Okay. I should be at the back.
I've got 3, I
Uh,
think.
I have none.
Here we
I
go.
only have one bandage. We gotta move. You get it?
Here's one.
Okay. Holy shit. Just in front of me. Thanks.
Oh wow, that's a run.
A little bit. I think we can do it. Maybe. I don't have any boosts though. We might have to cut directly towards it. Yeah, I think we have to go right at it.
Mine. Hold on. All right, I'm back.
Alright, we don't have the luxury of going way up there, I don't think. We have to run straight. But I think this circle can move slow enough that we're gonna run the same speed. Oh, we're at the slower end of it. Oh, yeah, that's true. Oh shit.
People north, northwest.
Shit. That's what we didn't need. Fuck.
I
Great
say we
job,
just get
both
to the
of
ridge. Yeah,
you.
I say we just get out of here. Just follow the ridge. Those houses to our right, to our east.
And I think there's a third one on the ground too.
I think those are the people inside the housing complex.
I don't know that I'm gonna make this. No weapons. Fuck it.
Do we want to push that complex or no? Oh no, that's out of bounds.
Yeah, I'm not even looking right now. I might as well look. Doesn't hurt. This hurts though. This hurts a lot.
I think this is a pretty good ridge.
Fuck.
Keep going to our east.
I gotta med get up here real quick.
I'm gonna dip right here. I think this is a pretty good spot right here to do it.
Yeah.
How are you guys doing on stims?
I have 0 stims.
I have one.
1?
Okay.
Oh. Cool, man. Holy shit. What did you do, hit the jackpot?
Yeah, what have you been doing?
Okay. I'm gonna take one now because I go max out real quick.
Hoovering them up.
Okay, we gotta get him a run though. I don't know if we have time to crawl. I have a 4. I have a 4 and an 8.
Buster.
I'm good.
22 alive. A lot of people alive for this part. Yeah, but I think we have to at least crouch walk. I think it has a better chance of ending on the field.
I don't know if we're gonna have time to do it.
Yeah, we don't have time to crawl. We have to get up and
Yeah, we're gonna have to get up.
super fast, literally snake.
What, are you faster if you put your gun away?
I don't think
Fuck
so.
it.
I don't think you can. Oh, you can. Oh, it does go a little faster. Oh shit! Look at me go, dude. Woo!
Yeah, you are faster.
watch
if you
this,
put your gun
Jacob?
away. Yeah, I see that. I saw.
Look at this, dude. This guy is a monster. Head blag. Nothing to do with it though. Yeah, they do. That's fine. Whatever.
Doors are
Okay.
closed on it.
Doors are closed means it's more scary.
Yeah.
Is there a guy in that fucking bush? No. Fuck those houses, dude. Fuck those.
Can we
Yeah,
move
but-
to anything?
Fucking nope. Yeah, behind us, behind us.
Hay bale. Go for the hay bale.
Sable over here. Fuck me.
Prone.
Apartments, are they in?
One of them's gonna be in.
Scanning windows right now. No, it sounds like it's from the buildings over there. I just can't
Yeah,
see
it
from
sounds
where.
from the north.
I don't see a muzzle flash. Oh yeah, shit! I gotta heal up, motherfucker.
I was wondering why you were looking around. I was like,
Yeah, I know. I
was
was like,
I don't know where he's shooting from.
15 are left. Do you see him?
Should I create? I don't see shit.
All right, we have to get in. There are parts northeast.
can you push up to that rock?
I'm gonna go a little bit to the right over here.
Hit that hay bale, then move up from there. Bump.
This is in. I'm getting shot from northeast.
Sounds northeast.
Yeah.
I didn't see anybody. I was looking.
People at the apartments north, they're running out.
I have no cover.
They're right outside. They're right outside. Yeah, concrete wall.
Get to that rock.
Nothing. Here's the compensator.
Scarred shacks.
Kill
Where are the rest of these people?
All right, let's move up to the wall. I'm gonna move up to the wall. Yeah, let's do it.
I'll
Just
keep
wait.
watch.
I'll go. I'm running. I'm dodging. Grenades.
Yeah,
Gas
just
cases. Oh, do you have that extra 4x still?
All right, guys, get ready. This is gonna be really, really good. 30
That's a good
seconds.
point.
Stim up, stim up.
I used my last one.
There's a few squads, yeah. I don't think they are. Yeah, I'm sure they're camping.
Oh, I see one. They're moving to the.
west apartment.
Yep, yep, yep. They're west.
Jeep behind you guys.
Behind us.
Got one.
West,
Guy. West.
West field.
Prone. I'm not gonna push prone.
Sleep low.
West field.
You guys are up on numbers. 2. That's the last 2
Oh,
on
yeah,
your
I
left.
see.
Last two.
Yeah, 5 left.
Where's one?
so- In the field west of you guys.
They have to run to us.
Anybody got a
Guy's laying right
grenade?
here. Get
I'm gonna
up.
try to bait them. Anything? No.
We're in the circle.
Yeah, you guys have the numbers, so
Oh, that hit him in the fucking head.
Throwing a grenade. Nice
Nice.
job. How many kills
got
did you get?
3.
I got 2.
I got 3.
Right? So I'm
Nice.
assuming 12.
Jesus.
Jesus Christ, man.
God, that's a good one to end on though.
I
You're
got a,
done?